crafted in silence. The art behind wooden masterpieces. There is a kind of beauty that doesn't demand attention. It doesn't shout. It doesn't flash. It simply exists quietly, patiently waiting to be noticed. And nowhere is that beauty more alive than in wood. Before anything is shaped, before any tool makes contact, there is silence. A deep, almost sacred stillness. In that silence, a piece of wood holds something extraordinary, not just material, but memory. Years of growth. Seasons of change. Storms endured. Sunlight absorbed. Every grain line is a record of time. And yet, when we first look at a raw piece of wood, we often see only its surface. Rough. Unfinished. Ordinary. But the true art begins when someone sees beyond that surface. Not with noise. Not with force. But with quiet understanding. The process of transforming wood into something meaningful is not loud or rushed. It is slow. Intentional. Almost meditative. The kind of work that asks for patience, not speed. Attention, not distraction. In a world that moves fast, woodcraft moves differently. It teaches you to pause. To observe. To listen. Because yes, even wood has a way of speaking. Not in words, but in resistance, in texture, in subtle changes beneath your hands. It tells you where it wants to bend, where it might crack, where its strength lies hidden. And the maker must listen. This is where true craftsmanship begins, not in tools, but in awareness. Each movement is deliberate. Each cut is considered. There is no room for carelessness, because once a cut is made, it becomes part of the story forever. There are no undo buttons in this process. Only decisions. And consequences. But that is what makes it powerful. Because every action matters. As the shaping begins, something remarkable happens. The wood slowly reveals what it has been holding all along. Patterns emerge. Textures deepen. What once seemed plain becomes rich with detail. And still there is silence. Not emptiness, but focus. A kind of quiet that allows creativity to breathe. In that quiet, time feels different. Minutes stretch into moments of complete presence. The outside world fades. Distractions disappear. What remains is a connection between human hands and natural material. A dialogue without words. And this is what many people never see. They see the final result. The smooth surfaces. The refined edges. The polished finish. But they don't see the hours of stillness behind it. The patience. The small adjustments. The moments of hesitation before a critical step. They don't see the mistakes that were carefully corrected or the imperfections that were intentionally kept, because they added character. Because perfection, in woodcraft, is not about flawlessness. It's about authenticity. It's about respecting the material, not forcing it into something it was never meant to be. This is why no two creations are ever the same. Even if they follow the same design, the same process, the same intention, the result will always carry its own identity. Because the wood itself is unique. And the journey it takes to become something new is never repeated. There is a quiet kind of honesty in that. No shortcuts. No illusions. Just time, effort, and intention. And perhaps that is why wooden creations feel different. They feel alive. Not in a literal sense, but in the way they connect with us. There is warmth in wood that other materials cannot replicate. A natural presence that feels grounded, real, and timeless. It doesn't try to impress. It simply invites you to notice, to slow down, to appreciate. And maybe that is what makes it so powerful in today's world. Because we are surrounded by noise, constant notifications, endless scrolling, rapid consumption. Everything is designed to grab attention and hold it for as long as possible. But wood does the opposite. It asks nothing. And yet, it gives everything. It reminds us that beauty doesn't need to be loud. That value doesn't come from speed. That meaning is often found in the quietest moments. And for the maker, this process becomes more than just creating something physical. It becomes a form of expression. A way to translate thought into form. Emotion into texture. Vision into reality. Without ever needing words. Because the final piece speaks for itself. Not with sound, but with presence. You can see the care in its lines. You can feel the intention in its surface. You can sense the time that went into it even if you weren't there to witness it. And that is the true art behind wooden masterpieces. It is not just about what is created. It is about how it is created. In silence. With patience. With respect. And with a deep understanding that the process is just as important as the result. Because in that process, something else is shaped as well. Not just the wood, but the maker. Each project teaches something new. About the material. About the tools. About limits and possibilities. And perhaps most importantly, about patience. In a way, working with wood becomes a reflection of life itself. You cannot rush growth. You cannot force perfection. You must adapt. Adjust. Learn. And continue. Even when things don't go as planned. Because sometimes, the most beautiful outcomes come from unexpected paths. A slight change in direction. A decision made in the moment. A willingness to embrace imperfection. These are not mistakes. They are part of the story. And every masterpiece carries that story within it. Hidden in its grain. Embedded in its form. Waiting for someone to notice. So the next time you see a wooden creation, take a moment. Look closer. Not just at what it is, but at what it represents. Time. Patience. Skill. And silence. Because behind every smooth surface there was once a rough beginning. Behind every refined detail there were countless careful decisions. And behind every finished piece there was a quiet journey of transformation. This is the art that doesn't shout. The craft that doesn't rush. The beauty that doesn't fade. Crafted in silence. But speaking volumes. And if this perspective changed the way you see wood even just a little, then take a moment to support the journey. Like this video. Share it with someone who appreciates true craftsmanship. And subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio, where every piece has a story, and every story begins in silence.